What's going on, everyone? This video brings us out to Old York Road in Abington. We've been sitting in some traffic here for about a little over 7 minutes now. And what did not help things was a police officer just flew through here. Yeah, that was hard for everyone to have to get off to the side because, as you can see, it's fairly narrow here. Don't know where he was going, but he made a left on Susquehanna Road. So I thought that was rather interesting. But yeah, traffic is just absolutely terrible this afternoon on Old York Road in Abington. We will be taking this down to Jenga Town Road. Let's see what we see. Maybe we'll see what happened. Doubt it, because he made a left on Susquehanna. Oh, that was a fairly quick red light. And I probably should have started this video earlier when we first got into the traffic jam. Now we're coming out of it. Well, looks like the other side's busy as well. A little congested over there now. Passing a Real-Max office here on the right. We got Penn State Lions Gate on the left. If you've never been there before. And that's basically just dormitories for the Penn State Abington campus. Actually delivered food to them many of times before. They like to eat, that's for sure. Yep, looks like we got a little more congestion. Not too bad though. I've seen worse at this intersection at this time of the day. This is nothing at all. I've seen where it takes 3-4 lights to get through here. Should make it through here 1, if not 2 lights. At the Faulkner Nissan dealership up here on the right. Going to be coming up on Jenga Town pretty soon. Here's a little fun fact for you. See this CVS up here on the left, which we will be passing after this intersection? There's a CVS up here. That actually used to be a Barnes & Noble at one time. The Walgreens here on the left, that was always a Walgreens as far as I know. There's another fun fact. See where now it says Longhorn Steakhouse? We just had a Longhorn put in there within the last month or so. That Longhorn Steakhouse, I believe, used to be a Chili's. Wawa here, there's another fun fact. This newer gas station Wawa did not exist until 7 years ago, 8 years ago? I forget the year. But up ahead we have the Zips Dry Cleaning. Well, that Zips Dry Cleaning actually used to be the old school Wawa back in the day. We're going to roll up the window. A little too noisy. Probably can't hear a word I'm saying. But this Zips Dry Cleaning up here, that used to be the Wawa before this became the newer gas station Wawa. So a lot of things have changed here over the years. You want to come out? Yeah, I'll let you come out first. Don't want to block anybody in. Nobody else coming? Okay. Next person's blocked in. Got a PNC Bank here on the right. Not sure if that came the same time as the Wawa or not. I'm thinking it might have. And we're also coming up here on the Starbucks pretty soon. And then up on your left, when we get further up, there's another fun fact for you that you probably did not know. Or maybe you did. But up ahead on the left, there's going to be an Outback attached to some offices up top. Yeah, I'll show you. It's coming up when we get through the intersection here. We got the Noble Septic Station up here on the left. That's a popular spot. And that is a part of the West Trenton line. And this is Beta Road. We are at Old York Road and Beta Road, Route 611. Still in Abington Township. I think once you pass Beta Road, it's technically Jenga Town. But I could be wrong. Whenever we don't see the red signs anymore. Nope, it's still Abington Township. Here's the Starbucks up here on the right. There's the Zips Dry Cleaning I was talking about. Okay, so after Robin had it's Jenga Town. Here's Zips Dry Cleaning. That used to be a Wawa. Up here on the left, we'll see this big parking garage that's like never used. And you see this old building, which underneath there is an Outback. The Outback's been there since the late 80s, I want to say. Yeah, the late 1980s. Before my time. But anyhow, I do know this used to be Strawbridge's. Then Strawbridge's moved to the mall. Then Macy's bought Strawbridge's. And Strawbridge's is now Macy's in the mall. But this used to be, at one time, the Strawbridge's. I'm going to take this off the mount. As you can see here, see this old nice old building. It was a Strawbridge's. I would like to know when the building was built. And before Strawbridge's, I'm going to assume it was probably something else. Like maybe, I don't want to say a courthouse, but it was probably something else before that. And either way, it's really cool to see. We're now coming up into Jenga Town. We got 7th Dimension Games, IHOP. I don't recommend eating at that IHOP too much. Not one of the better IHOPs, but whatever. Dunkin' Donuts coming up. And we got all the storefronts here in Jenga Town about to pop up on our left. And we actually need to get into the left lane because we are turning on Jenga Town Road. That is our route of travel this afternoon. Hopefully someone will be nice enough to let us over. What's this one doing? We got lucky. Some guy behind us was just not paying attention, didn't realize, hey, it's his turn to go. There we go. Didn't think we'd be able to get it back on. Yeah, we're coming up here to, Greenwood Avenue. That's where we need to be. Greenwood Avenue. Which will take us into Jenga Town Road. And coming up here is the Highway Theater. That is a historic place, and it's been there for a really, really long time. Don't know what year that actually was built, but it's been there for a while. And we're going to do a little bonus here. Coming up on the left is one of the oldest Friends schools in the area. One of them, anyhow. There's several of them. Which is Abington Friends, which is in Jenga Town, believe it or not. This is Jenga Town. No, actually, I think that would be considered Abington on the left side of Washington Lane. Either way, right now we are in Jenga Town. Beautiful town. Ever watched the TV show The Goldbergs? It's about this town, Jenga Town. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching this little random ride along. We actually have another little historic spot before I let you go. We have an Applebee's up here. We also have a Acme in there. I would love to know the history behind that. It looks as if it was once a hospital, but I can't confirm or deny it because I just can't seem to find any information about that. So if you know anything about the Pavilion Plaza in there, if you know anything about that, leave a comment down below. I would love to know what the name of that hospital was, because it really looked right where the Acme is. It looks like it once was an emergency room of a hospital or a main entrance. But I've looked online, I've looked around, can't seem to find anything about it. So if you know about it, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know about that. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, just random ride-alongs, wherever we happen to be, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.